The Michelin CrossClimate 2 has been the king of all weather segment for years. But in 2024, Goodyear fired back with the Assurance WeatherReady 2, a 3-peak mountain certified tyre designed to challenge Michelin's dominance. So does the new Goodyear have what it takes? Let's find out. Throughout this comparison, you see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Michelin CrossClimate 2 set as the reference point at 100%. These results are sourced from Tyre Review's 2025 all-weather tyre tests. In wet braking, the Goodyear stops 5.1 feet shorter, giving it a 5% advantage over Michelin. In wet handling, Goodyear is also 0.87 seconds quicker, translating to a 1% advantage around the course. But Michelin fights back in aquaplaning, resisting hydroplaning 2.6 miles per hour better, giving it a 5% advantage in deep water stability. So in the wet, Goodyear is the better stopper and handler, but Michelin offers more hydroplaning resistance. Now, for snow, Michelin proves its winter credential, stopping 0.9 feet shorter, translating to a 2% advantage in snow braking. In snow traction, Michelin accelerates 0.14 seconds quicker, giving it a 4% advantage. Even in snow handling, Michelin is 2.36 seconds faster, equating to a 3% advantage, showing better agility and driver confidence. When it comes to snow, Michelin holds the edge. On ice, the differences grow even larger. Michelin stops 2.5 feet shorter, giving it a 7% advantage in ice braking. Michelin also accelerates 0.63 seconds quicker, translating to a 6% advantage in eye traction. If you're dealing with harsher winter conditions, Michelin is the safer bet. What about dry roads? Michelin stops 7.1 feet shorter, giving it a 5% advantage in dry braking. However, Goodyear claws back some points in handling, with a 1% faster lap time and a 1.5% better subjective handling scores. So, Michelin dominates braking, but Goodyear feels sportier. Comfort-wise, Goodyear wins, scoring 5% higher than Michelin in ride quality. Additionally, in subjective comfort ratings, Goodyear scores 9.5 points, where Michelin scores only 8.5 points, reflecting a 1-point difference in the overall comfort perception. However, in external noise, Michelin is actually quieter by 0.9 decibel, which translates to 1% difference. So, if you want a pusher ride, Goodyear is better. But Michelin keeps the cabin quiet. How about rolling resistance? Michelin is 24% lower than Goodyear, making it a more fuel-efficient choice. What about price? Goodyear is cheaper, a 3% lower cost than Michelin. So, which one should you pick? If you want a better wet braking, sharper handling and smoother ride, the Goodyear Assurance WeatherReady 2 is a great choice. However, if you prioritize superior winter grip, lower fuel consumption, and a quieter experience, the Michelin CrossClimate 2 still holds the crown.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.